Hey folks, yesterday I showed you 12 different scalp trades that set up this week in just 3 days. Today I let our members know about a possible short on the Euro CAD, and I recorded it live. It was easy setup on this one, just by following the rules. It turned out to be a very nicely profitable trade for everyone. Actually, one of the members made a 3.6 to 1 reward risk on this, reward risk profit, so pretty nice. So there you go. I always appreciate a thumbs up by hitting the like button, assuming that you liked it. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and be sure to click that little bell so that you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Okay, here is the live trade video from today. And just note, I actually got it started just a bit late. We were just into it. The trade was against us actually when I started recording this. So anyway, take a look. Hey everybody. It's Vic here, and I just thought I'd start this recording. We're actually in a trade short right now on the Euro CAD live. It's actually a little bit against us right now, so I just thought it might be useful to, watch how it unfolds here. We sold it right here at 152.14, and it's gone against us quite a bit. Now it's come back. This is a 15-minute chart, so. And yeah, we'll just wait. We have trade management rules in place, and we'll see if we get anything out of this. Just stand by, and we'll just follow it along together. You can see how this happens live. And actually, let me show you the daily chart here. So you can see we had this really good level of support down here. This is in a big downtrend. The weekly's in a downtrend, the 4 hours in a downtrend. So we broke below that, and so we have a breakout, a way of trading these breakout shorts that way. So hopefully we'll get a move down here, and we shall see. The market's going to do what the market's going to do. Hang on. Okay, this trade is progressing along nicely here. I just got a text from one of our members, in our chat room, said they just got their first profit on this. So this cannot be a losing trade now. Okay, so we'll continue to follow it and keep you updated. Hang on. Hey again, folks. So yeah, we're continuing down here, and I just actually copied and pasted a couple of the texts from the room right now. Hey Vic, just took the Euro CAD one lot out for a nice profit. Thanks. And this other guy, next guy, says my take profit one was just hit. So yeah, it's really good to see. And so like in the chat room, we can actually follow these trades live, and I let people know about this trade that was setting up. And yeah, so anyway, let's just see what happens. This has got so much potential to the downside because it's so negative on all the other. Like if you look at the other time frames, this is the daily chart's like heading down pretty good here. So is the 4-hour chart. Everything's looking pretty negative here. So hopefully we can squeeze a little more juice from the lemon. Okay, stand by. Yeah, hi again. Just to point out, this trade has made well over a 2 to 1, almost a 2.5 to 1 reward risk unscaled. So it's still moving. Another guy just posted here, great trade. I'm still in with a full position. So yeah, let's just see if we can keep it going down here. We'll keep you posted. Okay, I'm just going to cap off this recording, folks. So we look at this move. I mean, it's just been unbelievable. So you can see the comments here that I showed you before, I think, and then yeah, and then this actually hit a level down here. Even if you scaled out of this trade, you made it. It's a 2 to 1 reward risk already on this, and it's still heading down. It's a really negative pair, so I'm sure there's lots of more, or there could be lots more downside. Who knows? But in any event, I hope that that was interesting or useful or something. And yeah, leave it at that. And thanks for watching. Cheers. Yeah, so there you go. And just so you know, there were other excellent trades from today as well. March the 4th is today. One of them made the final target for a 5.7 to 1 risk reward profit. Pretty sweet. So yeah, if you're looking for trade setups that happen in all the sessions very, very frequently, yeah, maybe this is an approach that you'd like to take a further look at. One of the nice things about them, these kind of trades, is that usually, not always, but usually they can be made risk-free quite quickly, which is pretty nice, and that gives you a free look at a much bigger move. Anyway, let's leave it at that. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.